Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the affirmative and negative sentences. Many types of sentences having into the languages. So today we are going to learn about the only affirmative sentence and negative sentence. First of all, we are start with the affirmative sentences. What is the affirmative sentence? The sentences which do not have no, not, never, none, neither, nor in them and they state something are called affirmative sentence. Means if in the sentences not having the no, not, never, none, neither nor in them and they state neither nor, that time that sentences are the affirmative sentences. Means in the sentences not showing the negative points, means negative things, so that sentences are the affirmative sentences. The affirmative sentence is always positive statements, means every time they are show the positive things. This is called the affirmative sentences. Means negative things not having into the affirmative sentence, that they are show only a positive things, they are the affirmative sentence. For example, Sheila went to the market. In this sentence not having any no, not, never, none, neither nor, these words are not having in these sentences. These are the positive statements. This is the positive statements. Because of that, this is the affirmative sentence. Second one example also here, I came from America. This sentence also showed to us a positive things, means not having in this sentence no, not, never, neither nor, so this sentence also having the affirmative sentence. Means in this sentence not having no, not, never, none, neither nor, so because of that this sentence is the affirmative sentence. Now we are see second type of the sentence is the negative statement or negative sentence. So for the sentences which state something and have no, not, never, none, neither nor in them are called negative sentences. We are see that in the affirmative sentences, if in that sentences not having the no, not, never, none, neither nor, that sentences are the affirmative sentence. But in the negative sentences, if in the sentences are having the no, not, never, none, neither nor, if these words are having in the sentences, so that time that sentences are the negative sentences. Means if in that sentence having no, not, never, so we can say that sentence is the negative sentence. They are show the negative statement, so because of that this type of sentence are the negative sentences. For example, tinku does not do Tinku does not do his homework. So in this sentence having the not, so because of that this sentence is the negative sentence. One more example is here, he never waits for everyone. Never. Never. This word show the negative statement or negative things. So because of that this sentence having the negative sentences. Thank you.